Welcome to another episode of Tonic.
Your guide to the coolest gadgets out there. Get ready for an amazing adventure into the tech kingdom. We'll show you the most incredible gadgets that will leave you amazed. Timekettle Translator Earbuds. Being abroad and asking locals for directions, you suddenly realize that simultaneous interpretation would be a great benefit. Here's the solution: the Timekettle Translator Earbuds. These earbuds use AI and recognize 40 different languages and 93 accents, so you can feel at home anywhere all over the world, even offline. The earbuds support 3 different modes for various use cases. You can either have a 2-person conversation or just listen to somebody speaking. Another mode is especially great for group meetings and classes, and when there's no need for translation, these are just really good earbuds. They boast great sound quality and the latest Bluetooth 5.0. You'll get almost 6 hours of playtime, which extends up to 30 hours with a compact charging case. Now there are no limits for travel, except the closed borders. Smart Bike Taillight. There's something that'll help you make your bike safer and smarter. Just get this little gadget, the Smart Bike Taillight. It consists of 2 pieces: the taillight that attaches right to the bike, and a sensing controller for your helmet. Turning on a turn signal is easier than ever. As soon as you turn your head to check the traffic, the light is already indicating the direction. Brake light is automatically turned on too. The brightness is self-adjusted, providing clear visibility in daylight. This thing also features a loud alarm that keeps thieves away from your bike. And the dedicated mobile app allows you to quickly find the bike in a parking lot. It might save a lot of time. Octagon Desk Light. The Octagon Desk Light is minimalism at its purest. Despite the incredibly simple design, it's ready to meet all your needs. First of all, this thing can be easily angled in various ways while staying perfectly balanced. The touch-sensitive button allows you to quickly switch between 4 brightness levels. Thanks to the rechargeable battery and portable size, you can take this lamp anywhere you like. It works wirelessly up to 48 hours straight and charges via micro USB. There's a variety of elegant finishes to choose from that'll fit any interior. This lamp has a big brother, using the same modern design. It features an integrated alarm clock, and it can gently wake you up by lighting up gradually in the morning. Since this lamp has more features, the touch control panel also got bigger. The integrated sound sensor provides some cool new ways to activate the display by clicking your fingers or knocking on the table. Pivot Magnetic Fidget Toy. The Pivot Magnetic Fidget Toy must be highly addictive. It uses special magnets that provide the most satisfying feelings. And aside from that, this thing is just beautifully done. The toy is made of metal, either titanium or bronze. Plus, it comes with 2 types of finishes. While the machine finish looks a bit more glossy and raw, the blasted finish is matte and perfectly smooth. You can also choose virtually any color for your toy and even add a cool laser engraving. This is an ultimate time killer. Segway Ninebot Drift W1. For those who like showing off their stunning tricks or just riding around the city, the Segway Ninebot Drift W1 hover shoes are suitable. The magnesium alloy body makes the e-skates incredibly lightweight and elegant, while the silicone bumpers on both sides protect them from scratches. As for the speed, these shoes reach up to 7.5 miles per hour. In addition, they're splash-proof. The non-slip pads on top ensure excellent grip for your feet. Learning to ride won't take you long thanks to the self-balancing technology. What about taking a ride in the dark? The customizable LEDs will light up your way and provide an even more stylish look. The only limit is time. It's up to 45 minutes on one charge. Neon glasses. Neon glasses will make you look like you've come from the future. They use a scratch-resistant acrylic frame, stylish and comfortable to wear at the same time. The integrated LED lights glow with 7 bright colors. On top of that, you get several dynamic effects to choose from. The strobe mode should be perfect for parties. These glasses are powered with a rechargeable battery that lasts about 1 hour. You wouldn't mind wearing these the whole day. Hope you loved our top 10 beasts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see more awesome inventions. Tell us your favorite beast in the comments below.